Goedemiddag. Today, Monday, 7th of October. I haven't been making any videos since there was not so much excitement going on after the fast work of the bulldozer. We've just been fencing off our land by the street side. Slow process, not very exciting to watch. And now we're building part of a dry wall, the back side of the land. So I thought, okay, let's give it a view of what's happened the last 2 weeks. Must tell you, it's only little. Bit of a cloudy day today. Still like 24, 25 degrees. Hardly any winds. Last weeks we've been working on the fence. So there was a very old fence that wasn't much good. And we also wanted to fence it off so that people know that there's activity going on. We made a simple wooden door. And just put some steel rods in the earth with some cement. And then attached steel fencing. Not really exciting, but had to be done. Otherwise the sheep will go in and eat the little trees that we have. Oh, by the way, this used to be our old entrance. Not a door anymore. Here's our newly made car park. Eventually it should fit 3 cars under a shaded roof. There will be some more car parking here. This is a road. Maybe a little car park here. Really happy with this road. Easy walking, driving up and down with a car. Still lots of rocks to be used for fencing off. And we've got ourselves a trailer now. Donation of my father. This is our future to be swimming pond. 8 meters diameter, 8.5 on the top, 6 on the bottom, 2 meters deep. And in the back, the filter area, which is 5.5 meters diameter in the top, a bit less down. And over there is where we're building a wall, dry stone. This is what we will be working on to today. Lots of rock to go. So this is where our future outdoor kitchen is going to be. Round, with reciprocal roof, 6 meters diameter. We still need a building permit for that, of course. In the distance, Sfera Serena, made in 2015, brought over from Italy just recently. And then here the road continues. This is where our septic tank is going to be for the outdoor shower toilet, which is going to be just above, and round a road ending in what's going to be a yoga platform, or platform that can be used for all kinds of stuff. A nice view. So since this wall wasn't much of a wall for about 30 meters, this is where it starts to get decent again. I thought, let's take it apart and build a new one. We had the bulldozer guy put some rocks close to the wall, and I thought I would do this in a few days, tidy it up a bit, put the Sfera Serena right on this beautiful spot. But it's a lot of work. It's going very, very slowly, but hopefully in the end it's all worth it. So a drywall build up in two outer walls with smaller rocks in between. And it's a lot of hollowing rocks, like you cannot imagine. But it's also good fun, because it's like playing Tetris all the time. You have to fit all the pieces, looking at rocks. Oh, I need one like this. I need one like this. Your mind is really focused. Don't think of anything else. So here we have the master himself at work.
Mushrooms,
Master!
not master. I'm not master.
He's done like a few 100 meters of this wall around his own field. Now he's trying to teach me, but I'm a hopeless student.
But this is very good student. Very clever.
Yeah, it's really good to have him.
Learn very quickly. And after some days, here have a lot of walls. Forehand, Richard!
That is so nice. After a few days working just by myself, and then suddenly two people, it goes really quickly. Thank you, Michalis.
But you look, this guy all with camera and picture, and we work very hard. Look.